Hello and welcome to this class on 3D printing at the Bozeman Public Library. My name is Ben. I'm the Creative Labs librarian here at the Bozeman Public Library, and today we're going to be talking all about how you can learn to 3D print here at the library. The first thing that we're going to cover is what you need to do to get your badge. The badge is the certification that you'll need to have in order to 3D print. So there's just a few steps to this process, and that's just to make sure that you know how and everybody's safe and everything. So the first thing that you need is your Workbench card. To get your Workbench card, you'll come to the Creative Labs desk in the library and you'll sign our waiver. In order to do this, you do need to be over the age of 14, have a library card, and then you'll sign the waiver. Now, if you are 14 to 18 years old, you'll need to go ahead and have a parent or guardian sign the waiver for you to make sure that it's okay for you to be here and doing this. Children under the age of 14 cannot get their own Workbench card, but children from the ages of 8 to 13 can accompany a parent or guardian who has a Workbench card and the proper certification in using Workbench equipment. Children under the age of 8 are not allowed to use any of the equipment in the library's Workbench area. So once you have your Workbench card, your next step is to get trained on 3D printing. You can do that a couple of different ways. One of them is to watch these videos, which you're doing right now. But if you find that that's not working for you, we have other ways for you to get trained as well. We have a self-service instruction binder that we keep at the Creative Labs desk that you can read through on your own time. And we also have classes that are taught about monthly on 3D printing, which you can attend here at the library. You do need to register for those classes, so you can check those out on the library website. But watching the videos is a perfectly fine way to learn to do this, and we will cover all the same content that both the binder and the class cover in these videos. Once you've completed whatever training you decide to do, then you're going to take your paper test. This test is about 10 questions long, and it just takes a few minutes to complete. You're welcome to use the instruction binder while you take the test, because we don't care how you know something so long as you know how to get the information. After you complete the test and get 100% on it, and you can take it as many times as you need to in order to do that, then you will go ahead and complete your practice project. The practice project will be to do one of these little Minervas here. We'll talk more about that in another video. Once you've successfully completed the Minerva project, then we'll go ahead and engrave your badge onto your card, and then you can start to submit your own 3D prints. Okay, that's it for this introduction. We're going to go ahead and we're going to start talking about what 3D printing is and why you might want to do it.